Concurrent coverage is the term of art that we use in the insurance industry, and at least lawyers use. I'm sure that others have other terminology, other insurance, for example, but it's when two different policies, not necessarily the same type of policy, it could be, but the two policies both cover the same claim or the same event. And the key there then is to figure out how the two policies respond side by side. Is there an allocation between the forms? Is one primary? Is one excess? Is one not applicable? Is there an exclusion that says if there's other insurance this doesn't apply? That's referred to as an escape clause. Those are typically not respected by courts because it makes the insurance almost illusory. But what we're seeing more and more are co-insurance policies, a Part B advertising injury coverage, responding together with a cyber tech policy form, and then the insurers have to figure out how the defense costs and if there's any third-party liability, how the indemnity payments would be paid. For example, there's a very well-known case that came out over the summer where one insurer provided both advertising injury coverage and tech coverage to the same insured, and both policies were intended to respond to the claim according to the policyholder. According to the insurer, they were not intended to respond, and declinations were issued on both policies. The policyholder sued, took it all the way up to a court of appeal, and the court ruled that both policies did respond. They were both co-insurance, and now the insurer had to fight amongst its liability people and its tech people to figure out how and when the policies should respond together. First-party claims are no longer limited to your own economic loss and your own brick and mortar. Let's say, for example, you have a business partner whose systems are down, and you rely on that business partner. Let's say you're Amazon, and you have a vendor which ships all the books, packs them up, ships them all out. There's a company here in King of Prussia that does just that. If their systems were down, the King of Prussia company, it would affect Amazon's business. And Amazon would not have direct business interruption loss, but it would have a derivative or a dependent business interruption loss under certain policies and certain forms that are in the market. There would even be first-party loss coverage that would pay the economic loss incurred as a result of your business partner's downtime in being unable to fulfill their duties as your business partner.